Welcome back to Arabic is on channel. If you want to learn Arabic to read Quran, the Arabic alphabet, to further your career for personal reasons, whatever the reason is, you want it to be reading, writing, pronunciation, speaking. This is a comprehensive Arabic teaching channel giving you a course for free. Please share to anyone who wants to learn Arabic. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below for whatever it is that you want to translate from Tagalog or English into Arabic, or whatever question you have in Arabic. Let's get right into the video. In the previous lesson, quick recap, we've studied Hamza, Ba, Ta, Tha. Also, we studied Jim, Ha, Kha. Also, Dal, Dal. Also, Ra, Zai, which I forgot to write. Then Sin, and also Sheen. Sheen. Those are the letters that we've studied in previous lessons. If you didn't know, please rewatch those lessons. Alright, for today's lesson, we're going to take the letter Sod. 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 It's different from the S or the Sin, that it's a little bit more pronounced than the regular S. It's Sod. It's Sod. This is how we write it in the beginning. I mean in the middle. The beginning, the end. Beginning, middle, and end. Alright, this is how we read it. Sod with fatha, Sod with dhamma, Sod with kasra, Si. This is how we write it at the end. By the way, Arabic, guys, is from right to left when you're writing. It's right to left. Okay, this is how we write it in the middle. Sa, su, si. And in the beginning, this is how we write it. Sa, su, and si. Please get your notebook and pen and write these things down so you won't forget them and you can actually practice. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, that means you need to watch all the other videos. Mad bil alif. This is today's lesson. Mad bil alif, mad bil waw, and mad bil ya. Those are the long vowels. They're called mad bil alif, mad bil waw, and mad bil ya. Those are the long vowels. We're gonna use them in words to understand them further. They're like the stretch in the pronouncing of the words. Alright, here's an example. These are the long vowels again. The stretch in the pronunciation of the words. They're letters and vowels. You have to keep that in mind. Please get a notebook and a pen and write that down. Okay, this is an example. Bata, bata, stayed, stayed. Bata. It's read as bata, not bata. Like this second example, bata has no meaning. Just to compare that this one is shorter and faster and quicker in pronunciation. Another example, hajja. Hajja, argued. It means argued. And you can see the ha has mad bil alif, so we stretch it. We read it longer. We don't say ha, we say hajja. Hajja. And there's two J's or two Jim because of the shadda. Alright, another example. Hutu. We're using mad bil waw this time, the long vowel mad bil waw. There's a stretch in the middle. Hutu, it means fish or whale. You read it as hutu. Hutu. As opposed to hutu. This has no meaning, but to compare, you can see the difference. This is quicker. Alright. So we'll see another example. This time using long vowel mad bil ya. And this is how we write it in the middle, two dots at the bottom. We don't put a kasra, which is a short vowel. We don't need that because ya or mad bil ya by itself is already a long vowel. Seat means reputation. Reputation. And this is how you read it. Situ. Situ. So there's a stretch in the middle. A stretch in the middle. Sounds like kasra, but way longer. Situ. You can see that in the middle. And then this is how we write it. Sad, ya, or mad bil ya, and then ta with dhamma. Situ. Alright, so today as a bonus at the end of the video, we're going to study about more numbers, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. This is how we write them in Arabic. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Arabic is a language that you write from right to left. Right to left. So it's called 22, 22. Sorry about pronunciation because, you know, sickness and everything. 23, 23, and then 24, 24. It means 24. 25 means 25, 25. 26 means 26. 26 is 26. 26. Alright, so 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Those are the numbers for today. Alright, so for today we studied, quick recap, mad bil alif, mad bil waw, mad bil ya, long vowels. They're the stretch in the words as opposed to short vowels. We've studied short vowels. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that means you need to go back to the old videos and watch them all to know all the alphabet of Arabic and all the short vowels that I'm talking about. And we've studied Sad also today. Sad, it's different from Sin. Sin is the regular S. And we've studied the number 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to learn Arabic comprehensive, free course, everything, reading, writing, spelling. Subscribe. Look at the R. I made it big because my mother reminded me. You know, mothers are our biggest supporters. How lovely and sweet she is. She told me that I keep forgetting to write the R and subscribe, so that's how I wrote it. If you like your mother, please like this video. Share it to everybody who wants to learn Arabic, reading, writing, speaking, pronunciation, in order to read Quran or further their career or for personal reasons. Like this video, please, and comment down below of whatever it is that you want to translate from Tagalog or English so I can translate it for you. A sentence, something you want to say to communicate better in the comment section below. If you have a question in Arabic, please just comment down below. And also, don't forget to ring the bell, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of any new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.